G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 31 Balwarity Court in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. As usual, there is a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. This lovely home is enviably set on a large 285 square metre allotment in the popular Bayside location of River Heads. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the River Heads boat ramp and ferry services to World Heritage listed K'gari or Fraser Island. You'll also be able to launch your boat and access the Great Sandy Straits along with the Mary and Susan rivers, which are a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. All that, and you've got the convenience of being only minutes away from local convenience stores and a short drive to Hervey Bay's thriving CBD with essential amenities including shopping centres, schools, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. From the moment you walk in, you'll be captivated by this beautiful home's grand spaces and striking details which flaunt enviable, innovative, classic design and style. The coveted north-south aspect of this home, coupled with large windows and neutral colour tones, offer open and connected spaces, allowing light and air to naturally fill the home. The stylish, modern kitchen does form the heart of the home and features beautiful stone bench tops, ample storage space, a pantry and a breakfast bar. Quality appliances include an induction hot plate with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. The vast open plan dining and living area, which includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort, seamlessly connects with that expansive alfresco outdoor entertaining area all under the main roof, complete with shade blinds. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while entertaining with family and friends with that lovely outlook towards K'gari, Fraser Island. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in that sparkling in-ground magnesium swimming pool, which is also heated so you can enjoy swimming all year round. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The large main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning and a walk-in wardrobe, plus a lavish ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet, and you've also got direct access outside to that outdoor entertaining area. The bathroom includes a shower over the bath plus a vanity, and there is a separate toilet. The laundry is located to the rear of the garage and includes loads of linen storage and has direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation is covered by a spacious double garage with a remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. But wait, there's more. You've also got clear side access through that large 9 by 9 metre 3-bay shed with power connected. There's also ample space to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat as well. The energy conscious will appreciate the solar power system, and for those wanting to be more self-sufficient, you'll enjoy the established selection of fruit and citrus trees. Homes offering these features in this location with an outlook across the Great Sandy Straits to K'gari, Fraser Island, are always in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.